At the Cardiff Cancer Research Partnership, we're transforming the way cancer is treated. Through groundbreaking research, we take discoveries made at the lab bench and deliver them directly to the patient's bedside.
A partnership that brings scientists and clinicians together, and it allows us to offer the whole range of clinical trials to our patients. Trials from early phase through to later phase trials if they're complex.
Every life-saving treatment begins with discovery. In our labs, researchers study cancer at its most fundamental level. Using cutting-edge technology, they examine patient samples, decode data, and uncover new ways to target the disease.
As you know, it is a tripartite relationship between us at Cardiff University and our partners in the hospitals. It's divided into two broad groupings. We have the clinical operations group, and they run the clinical trials. And then we also have the discovery and translational research group. So that would encompass more of the kind of lab-based science. It helps to organise the activities of both of these groups, but the key thing is that it makes sure that the objectives of both groups are completely aligned.
Our unique partnership between Cardiff University, Velindre University NHS Trust and Cardiff and Vale University Health Board ensures discoveries move swiftly from theory to practice.
We are currently running a study which is a perfect example of the bench to bedside. The drug has been designed and developed by a scientist in Cardiff, and that is now ready and it is being delivered by our research team in Cardiff. So it's a Welsh developed and delivered drug.
Once therapies are developed, they move into clinical trials. Our trials range from early phase testing to large-scale studies, giving patients access to the most advanced treatments available.
Okay, well, I'm a myeloma patient. And if you look back a couple of decades, life expectancy wasn't that long. The first trial, the drug I started on, which stabilized me for 6 years plus, is now one of the first-line treatments. And it's nice to feel that you're part of this evolution of treatment, but without it, a lot of myeloma patients wouldn't be alive today. Ones that are doing very well, including myself.
The ultimate goal of our research is clear: to transform lives.
It has the potential to bring more clinical trials that we weren't able to do before to this organisation because of the cross-centre working and the expertise. So I think it potentially allows us to give early phase clinical trial options to more patients and probably across a greater breadth.
At the Cardiff Cancer Research Partnership, we're bridging the gap between science and care, working together to revolutionise all types of cancer, both solid and haematological. Working with industry from bench to bedside, we're transforming research, changing lives, and rewriting the future of cancer treatment.